foul odors are no problem for State's Fragrance Burst. Its automatic metered spray system is designed to handle the most difficult odor control problems. Use Fragrance Burst dispensers in restrooms, offices, conference rooms, lobby entranceways, and disposal areas to eliminate odors for good. The Fragrance Burst system is non-intrusive, producing a dry fog burst that leaves no residue, providing invisible air quality enhancement. Each Fragrance Burst scent includes patented SE500 odor-eliminating technology that doesn't mask the malodors, it neutralizes them at the molecular level. The Fragrance Burst system is easily installed, mounted directly to the wall in an attractive package that fits any decor. The system offers versatile control with adjustable time settings that can be customized for any environment. The Fragrance Burst, another great solution from State Industrial Products, caring for work environments since 1911.